Yo, what's up mga ka-agri, mga ka-idol, good morning. So, karon ay pupunta tayo doon sa may kawayanan na maghahanap tayo ng kawayan, no? Magpuputol tayo ng kawayan para gawin natin na DIY feederer sa ating mga manok, no? Dahil mahal talaga yung mabibili natin sa mga agri-best supply ng mga feederer. Kaya ngayon ay gagawa na tayo ng DIY na feederer natin gamit ang kawayan. Okay? So, samahan niyo ako mga ka-idol. So, sa puntong ito mga idol ay sinumo ko na nga dito yung mga nakaharang ng mga kawayan, no, na napuputol na dahil naghanap nga ako dito ng malalaking medyo malaki yung katawan na kawayan para yun yung gawin nating DIY feederer. So, may nakita na tayo mga ka-agri, you know. Sakain natin dyan, sakain. Okay. So, itong sakaon diya mga ka-agri para makuha na itong yung malaki-laki yung katawan na kawayan. Okay? Ay! At ayan na, haggard na ang face. Ayan, after natin naputol mga ka-agri ay umuwi na tayo sa bahay para atin ang i-set up or atin lang gumagawa yung ating feederer, no?
I can't go back to you, my friend. Don't even ask. Don't play pretend.
You know you left me lonely. I could tell them the whole story. It may take a couple hours. I've got time. Let's get to chat. How could I explain the situation? Man, it's so damn complicated. Where do I start? Where do I end? I should go back to bed. I'm going back to all the basics. Teaching myself now how to erase it. It's like learning a whole new language, and I'm afraid, too scared to face it. I just want to.
At pagdating natin sa bahay mga idol ay kumuha ko ng lagari and ginabas ko na agad.
Clarity, but all my thoughts destroyed. Give me some peace of mind. It's all I need to give peace to all of my family. I can't go back to you, my friend. Don't even ask. Don't play pretend. You think you are everything I need, but I gotta leave. Try but can't get through to me. It's not you, yeah, it's always me. I close my heart to you, you see it opens up for nobody. It's been so hard to fall asleep. The weather always makes my nose bleed. Makes my nose bleed. It's so hard to believe that one day I'll feel peace. I want control over my life. I want that driver's seat. Yeah, it's not you that I need. You push me down when I'm weak. You were never there for me. Go pick up your keys and